Hey there, Vinny from Project Frugal. It might be raining hard outside, and like the rain, share prices go down, and that's exactly what's happening at the moment. So stay tuned, check it out. Here we go, another $1,000 into Denise's portfolio. The last balance was 31,915. So even though $1,000 been put into this portfolio, the actual number has gone down by, well, 700 and, oh, I don't know, 700 and something dollars. It is not pretty, even though some dividends have been paid out. So there was an absolute shocker of a day, a couple of days ago. In fact, there's been couple of days in the last week that have been absolutely atrocious. That's the way the market goes. And all of this happened when the Russians said, oh, we're going to mobilize another 300,000 troops. The market didn't like that, and the market went down. So when this war does finally finish, things will improve. So hurry up, Putin, get out of Ukraine. Sooner the better. Anyway, let's go down and have a look here. So Denise actually purchased the Australian and New Zealand Banking Group Limited. They will still pay out. So as we've stated many times before, this is all about dividends. It's not so much about growth. It's the long term. It's not really even more. Maybe it's the medium term as well. It's certainly not the short term because there's a long way to go with this portfolio. We're only a third of the way there. Well, the way things are going, we're going backwards at the moment, but never mind. So let's just go and see what we've got on the old wallet there. So $1,209.21 got invested. So $209.21 of that was dividends. The wallet got topped up a couple of days ago with $1,000. And Kingfish, Marlin Global, and Barramundi, which we're not investing in because apparently they're overvalued. Thank you for the tip. Anyway, they did pay out. So between them, we got how much? $150, $160 between them, but doesn't account for the actual market loss. Anyway, however, we'll carry on. So today hasn't been such a bad day. It's only lost $19.29. Well, you got to take some wins if you call that a win. I guess it is. So ANZ Bank now over $3,000 worth of investment into that. Overall, it's lost $74.51. Not the end of the world because we're in it for the long haul. So out of these, how many have we got here? We've got 7 gainers and 5 losers today, 14 instruments in total, and now we're down to only 3 of them that have actually made profits, and that is including the dividends that have been paid out, and the rest of them have lost money. So a grand total of $3,778.55 down at the moment on this portfolio. It's 35. Well, episode 35, so in theory, we've invested $35,000, matching $1,000 per episode, and it should be at least $35,000 for the portfolio value. However, it's not. So just about record lows on this particular portfolio. I think it was down over $4,000 at one stage, not so long back, but, well, it's heading towards that territory now, but I'm confident it will improve. And maybe not in the next 2 weeks, but overall it will improve. I'm looking forward to getting to the end of September. Definitely looking forward to getting to the end of the year, and we'll see how the market pans out at that stage. Anyway, that's not ideal, but let's go and have a look at the dividends because things have improved in that area at least. So in terms of September, $284.24 has been paid out, which is the most out of any month in this portfolio since it's been going since roughly around April last year, April 2021. $284.24. We've got almost $200 to be paid out in October. So that's definitely going to go well over $1,000 for the year in terms of dividend returns. Just a shame about the actual stock price of these particular stocks, but never mind. There's nothing I can do about it. I mean, you go with these good companies and all of a sudden the market goes bang. Everything's gone down. It's not just stocks. It is also, well, it's everything. Let's face it, KiwiSaver, any other superannuation schemes, funds, you name it, it's all gone down. And the market, well, it's certainly in a correction, probably a recession. But one good thing is we are buying investments at a lower price, because eventually the market will head on back up, just like it has in many years past. It will keep on going up, and this bad time won't be looking bad at all. It'll be looking rosy, and maybe that's the time to sell a lot and get out. Who knows? We'll go and have a quick look at the charts again, but it's all doom and gloom once again. Doom and gloom. Gotta love the doom and gloom. The week rotten, the fortnight rotten, the month rotten. I might as well just do every single episode, say the same thing every time. Everything is rotten. Yeah, there was a recovery in, heading into the middle of July. It recovered, and it's on a bit of a downward trend, and you can see this massive dip down here in September. It's just massively plummeted again. However, that's not to say there hasn't been other massive plummets before, as you can see here in mid-May. Massive plummet again. Anyway, the overall trend of the market is down. So what will we do in the next episode? In the next series of investments, we will purchase some more stocks. Ah, great. And not panic. And certainly not sell. No point selling at a loss. Then you've just locked in your losses, and we're not going to do that. In the dividend payment months, well, we've still got October, almost $200. We've still got November, a couple of payments out of that for the warehouse group, which has been going down, much like everything else. Property for industry, which has also been going down, excellent. But there will be should be some sort of decent payout in December, and on it goes. On and on for another year. And hopefully the next year will be a lot better than 2022. Yeah, it's been a rotten year. Rotten year. That wraps up another episode of Road to 100K. Hope you've enjoyed it. The market is not doing great at the moment, and it's not just in New Zealand, it's all around the world. But hopefully things will improve once this Russia-Ukraine thing goes. Maybe things will improve. We'll just have to wait and find out. So we'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below, and we'll see you later. Bye-bye.